this is going to be an exciting episode because we're going to get our code accessible anywhere. So here's what we're going to have to do. There are two steps that we have to do. The first step is I forgot something in our code that we had to add. If you, sorry, I'll explain what I just did. If you exit out of your Flask app and you go into NLTK, we are going to scroll all the way down to where we said app.run. In the app.run, in between those two parentheses, we're going to type in host equals 0.0.0.0.0, and then close the quote. And then we're going to hit Control X, Y. That code is going to allow our EC2 instance to run Flask on any IP. It's going to look for any IP. It doesn't matter. It's just something that we had to add. The next thing that we have to do is something that I forgot to do whenever we set up our EC2 instance, is reconfigure our security group. So we have a security group. If you click on your EC2 instance right here, and you come down to this little window, I'm trying to figure out a way how I can explain. There we go. If you come down here, you can see the instance, the public DNS, which we'll be using later, but you'll also see security groups. We want to click on the security group that we have set up, launch Wizard 2, and open that in a new tab. Click on that new tab, and you'll see that we have this right here. Okay, down here is where we want to be concerned about. This we want to click on inbound. I've already fixed the problem, but what you will see is you will see SSH TCP port 22, and then any IP or any port number. What we want to add is a new rule called all TCP zeros through this port range, all IPs, all port numbers. I'll show you how I did that. I went to here. I'll go ahead and delete this rule too. I went here and I hit add rule, and then I say I want all TCP connections from that drop down box that already sets the port range for me and the protocol. And then I want to type in 0.0.0.0/0 and hit save. This is kind of a complicated thing to explain. There are docs out there that will probably explain it better than I am, but basically what we're saying is we want to open up all of our ports on our EC2 instance to be able to be hit by anybody who wants to hit them, any port that they want to hit, and we want to allow any IP address to hit it. So really we could change this to only accept port range 5000, which is probably safer. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave it open on all ports because I don't have any problem if somebody wants to hit my EC2 instance. So after that, let's go back to our EC2 dashboard and click on Running Instances. You don't have to restart your EC2 instance. It has already been updated. You're going to come here, and by the way, make sure that your Flask app is running. Okay. If not, type in python api.py and make it run on that EC2 instance. You're going to come here and you're going to see public DNS. This is the URL for your EC2 instance. You're going to copy that and go into a new browser. Make sure that there's not a space in between the E and the beginning of the URL. So you want to make sure that it looks just like this, only your IP address will be different. And then you're going to type in that double colon 5000 and then basic test. If you remember, basic test was one of the URLs that we set up to just like have like a health check or something, you know, just to make sure that's up and running. And you'll see that it is. Congrats, you hit our basic test. So now our EC2 instance is able to communicate with the rest of the internet. This means that now we can tell Twilio to look at our EC2 instance at a specific path and send all of the text messages that Twilio gets to that path.